So you want to sell your house fast, for cash, and hassle-free. I'm here to tell you I can get you the highest price for your house, guaranteed. No matter the condition, no matter what terms you want to stay after the close, you want the investor to remove all the belongings in the house, whatever the terms are, you are in control. But here's why I can guarantee you I can get the top dollar for you. Number one, I'm a cash investor. Number two, I know multiple cash investors. So yes, I will be bidding against the other cash investors too. I don't always win. Number three, I'm a realtor, and a lot of times people are like, no, we don't want a realtor. We don't want to pay fees. You're not going to worry about any of that. I'm going to facilitate all these cash investors, including myself, and we will all bid on your house, and we can get this done fast. But by doing that, every investor has different criteria for each house that they're bidding on. Sometimes they're willing to go $200,000 more than most other investors, including myself. Sometimes there's a reason why I'm going all in on one, and sometimes I'm like, nah, it's not for me. Don't see those ads. We buy ugly houses. We pay cash for a house just from one investor. Every investor has their own criteria why they'll pay more or why they won't. Let's get a bidding war. Talk to me. Let's get started.